It's kind of hard to find artwork, so it was really helpful finding a placement that was so suitable for me. Go Wales helped me approach the employer and get a placement set up. My work experience was with Cardiff MADE. It's an art gallery and cafe. I got to work with artists and help curate work within the gallery space. Seeing other artists' work and what they're selling is really influential on my work and has given me an idea of what I could do in the future. I got my hygiene certificate level 2, which was really helpful for my CV, and I learned how to make coffee and serve food. I wish I'd found it earlier, and I definitely recommend joining it in your second year or first year would be really good. I would recommend Go Wales to anyone because it just really helps with my confidence. I got out there and did work experience I don't think I would have had the confidence to get otherwise.